Namaste. I am Ayurvedic doctor Harini from Madurai. Today the session is about what is Ayurveda and what all are the things Ayurveda contain and how Ayurveda is used in day-to-day routine life, why we should take Ayurvedic medicines. These are the things we are going to discuss today. Ayurveda. This word refers two words in Sanskrit, that is Ayuhu plus Vedam. Ayuhu Vedam iti Ayurvedam. Ayuhu means life and Veda means science. The science which deals about life is known as Ayurveda. It's also known as life science. This Ayurveda starts during 600 BC. Ayurveda has gurus like Charaka, Shushruta, Vagbhada, Sarangadhara, and many others. These persons wrote books named as Charaka Samhita, Shushruta Samhita, Ashtanga Hridayam, Ashtanga Sangraham, and so on. Ayurveda is not a simple thing. It deals with day-to-day life routine things, that is how we should brush daily, how many centimeters brush should be, who can bath, who cannot bath, in which water we should bath, how to eat, where we should be eat, what are the places we can sit and eat, where we should not sit, qualities of milk, curd, ghee, honey, and types of milk, and best and worst milk which we can use or cannot use. It also deals about astrology and gems, that is Navaratnas, Panchamahabhutas, Tridoshas, Prakritis, Koshta. Like these, it will be going on. Like a modern medicine, Ayurveda also have 8 branches. That is Kaya Chikilsa, which deals with general medicine, Kaumara Bhrityam, that is pediatrics, deals with intelligence, constitution, and gender of childhood diseases. Next is Shalya Tantra, which is surgical techniques and extraction of foreign objectives. Next is Shalakya Tantram, treatment of ailments affecting ears, eyes, nose, mouth, etc. Next is Buddha Vidya, pacifying of possessing spirits and the people whose minds are affected by such possessions. Agada Tantra or Vishagara Virod Tantra, that is toxicology. It includes subjects about epidemics, toxins in animals, vegetables, and minerals. It as well contains key for recognizing those anomalies and their antidotes. Rasayana Tantra, that is rejuvenation and tonics for increasing lifespan, intellect, and strength. Next is Vajikarana Tantra, that is aphrodisiac and treatment for increasing the volume and viability of semen and sexual pressure. It also deals with infertility problem and spiritual development. These are the 8 branches. So we are having special branches in naturopathy, that is yoga therapy and water therapy, soil therapy, mud therapy, etc. Next is Prasuti Tantram. Prasuti Tantram deals with gynecology and obstetrics. Stri Roham explains about diseases of females. Some people are asking about the side effects of Ayurvedic medicine. Ayurvedic medicines won't have side effects, but in some person it's giving side effect. It's because of the company which we buy medicines. There are many purificatory methods of Ayurvedic medicines. We should surely do that purificatory method. But some of the companies won't do that purificatory method. Due to that only medicines giving side effects or it won't act on that person. For example, we can take Triphala. Triphala contains of 3 drugs, that is Kadukai, Nelikai, and Thandrikai. Kadukai is Terminaria bellerica, Thandrikai is Terminalia chebula, and Nelica is Emblica officinalis. These three drugs combinedly known as Triphala. In some of the companies, they are giving in ratio 1 is to 1 is to 1. In some companies, it's 1 is to 2 is to 3. In some companies, it's 1 is to 2 is to 4. In all these three drugs, outer shell is used for medicine and seed is not taken. Actually, the outer shell or covering is 10 gram and the seed is 90 gram if you buy for 100 grams. So, in some companies, they are using both seed and shell, and in some companies, they are using only shell. The companies which use only shell giving the original medicines which we can consume and we have positive feedback, and the company which is using seed and shell we have negative feedback. Anupana. Anupana is the mode of administration. This Triphala can be taken with milk for eye problems. If the patient is obese, then they can take with honey. For external application, just we can boil Triphala and filter it, then we can dash in the eye for eye problem, and for a anal region problem, that is piles or fissure, we can wash the anal region with Triphala water. Triphala is the simple drug but which we can use in daily routine life. Thank you. Continue will be in next part. Subscribe our YouTube channel Grandma Secret.